Hello friends, my name is Abhilash and I am your instructor for this course which teaches you the difference between using floats, FlexBox and CSS Grid. Before I go into that, I would like to explain that all these three are used for creating layouts for a web page. That is, these three help you to create various kinds of layout and arrange them properly. So we will be coding in HTML and CSS and converting this wireframe design into a proper web page. So I will be creating three pages, one using float, the other using flexbox and the third one using CSS grid. Now this is the page I created using float, and the second one is the one which I created using the flexbox, and the third one is the one created using CSS grid. Now I will be explaining the code in detail, but for the time being you just have a look at the code and see this one is created using CSS grid versus this one which is created using float, which is quite long in terms of number of lines. It's not just about number of lines, but the overall look and feel of your HTML file. For example, this is the float.html file. You will see that it's pretty long and it has several divisions and blocks, whereas if you see the grid example, it's pretty much neat and clean and short. So we will be comparing all these three properties in CSS Float, which is a nightmare of course, and CSS Flexbox, which has some magical powers, and CSS Grid, which is powerful. I am pretty sure that this is a kind of a unique course on Udemy and you will find it very much interesting. So stay tuned.